Precision is essential when driving in nails and woodwork projects. Therefore, a nail gun is a must-have for woodworkers. Creating your woodwork masterpieces at home requires a practical, durable, and reliable nailer. So, what is the best nail gun for home use? The most advantageous nail gun for home use is the brad nail gun. Brad nail guns are used explicitly by finishing carpenters and woodworkers. It is smaller than a standard finish nail gun but just as powerful. When attaching casing and trim as much as 3/4 inches thick, use a brad nail gun. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews of customers, and compiled a list of the best nail guns from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Dewalt 18-gauge brad nail gun kit. The Dewalt 18-gauge brad nail gun kit features a comfortable rubber grip and consecutive style trigger. It can drive 18-gauge nails from 5/8 inches to 2 inches in length. This brad nail gun has a maintenance-free motor that prevents the nail gun from staining the work surface, and you can easily remove and adjust nails. It is the ideal option and surely worth the investment. Number 2. PorterCable Cordless Brad Nailer. The PorterCable Cordless Brad Nailer is another one of my favorites. It features multifunctional LED lights to assist error indication and illuminate the workspace. The nail gun is lightweight, making it easier to maneuver the tool in various positions without adding strain to your hands and wrists. You will not require a compressor, hose, or gas cartridges because 100% battery operated and cordless. It is suitable for use on different materials and easy to operate. Number 3. Freeman Pneumatic Nail Gun Combo Kit. It is an excellent kit that includes 4 of Freeman's pneumatic nailers. The kit contains a framing nailer, straight brad nailer, finish nailer, and a narrow crown stapler. You can keep these tools together by placing them into the canvas carrying bag added to the combo. The nail guns in this combo are versatile. You may use it for heavy-duty work such as roof decking, fencing, pallet building, or fine detail work like crown molding, trim, and window casings. It goes without saying that, although you pay a hefty price for it, the Freeman Pneumatic Nail Gun Combo Kit is durable. Number 4. BOSTITCH Pneumatic Framing Nailer. A top-notch professional-level framing nailer will give you more options and flexibility, while standing up to the typical abuse larger projects can offer. The BOSTITCH F21PL Pneumatic Framing Nail Gun shoots 1/2 inch to 3/2 inch framing nails through just about any type of wood and even most metals, thanks to its 2 quick-change nose pieces for wood or metal connectors. A push-button depth guide makes setting the desired depth easy as you move around. Number 5. NuMatic 2-in-1 18-gauge. The NuMax S2-118G 2-in-1 brad nailer is proof that some budget options don't skip out on features usually found only on far more expensive tools. One common feature many expensive nail guns offer is the ability to use multiple types of nails and brads. For a fraction of the cost, this gun gives you similar flexibility. Using either common 2-inch 18-gauge or 1 to 5/8 inch narrow staples, this is a great choice for D projects, such as installing chair rails, crown molding, decorative trim, baseboards, or window casings. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.